Another, this is the one of the again good method for the synthesis of aldehyde. That is what? Chlorination of toluene. This is also called as industrial method for benzaldehyde. By using this method, we can prepare benzaldehyde in a large quantity. So it is a very simple reaction. So you can write this method used to synthesize. This method is used to synthesize benzaldehyde. This method is used to synthesize benzaldehyde at a large scale. At a large scale, therefore called as industrial method. Very simple reaction. See, in this method, toluene is taken and it is subjected for chlorination in the presence of sunlight. So in the presence of sunlight, we know alkyl part undergo halogenation and dichloro product will form. CH-Cl2 will form. And this CH2Cl, this dichloro product, when you subject it for acid hydrolysis, directly form benzaldehyde. When this subjected for acid hydrolysis, this will form benzaldehyde. This will form benzaldehyde. This is called as chlorination of toluene. This method is called as chlorination of toluene and also very well known as a industrial method for the benzaldehyde synthesis. This is a very simple reaction. Fine.